Well, hello and welcome to Jessic Biking. Well, folks, I'm out of the hospital. Been out for about almost 2 or 3 weeks now. It was a long 2 weeks in. For those who don't know, I had back surgery for spinal stenosis, and I'd like to thank all my viewers and all my subscribers, especially Joel Smith, Celtic Granny, and Seifold Hughes for hanging in there with me. Well, today I'm basically doing a make of a model that I had done back in 2012. I upgraded it just before I started having my health problems, and basically up here it's set on the build here for the last, well, about 3 years. So basically what I'm doing is up modeling it from its previous build, and I'll show you what I'm doing here. Basically what I'm doing is I'm taking that rim off, and I'm going to paint it, trim it black and paint it yellow to match the front wheels. And also at the same time I got to rebuild the strut system on the other side up there to make it more sturdy. So in the meantime, I'm going to be probably in the next couple of days working on that, and then I'll show you the final product. So until then, this is Michael from Jessic Biking, thanking you for a good day. Bye. Well, as I stated once before, this bike has been sitting on my left here for about a good 3 years, since about November 2015. Well, earlier than that, probably about October when I had my health issues. Basically what I'm going to do is finish it up. First thing I did, I don't know if you can see it or not. Yeah, here you can see. This whole back end was once a 20-inch frame set. I had 3 20-inch wheels. But it seemed like I was pedaling like crazy just to get anywhere. So what I'm doing is we're going to take this 24-inch wheel off that we assembled and upgrade. And okay, there we go. And we're going to take the wheel off, sand it down, primer it, and paint it yellow to match the yellow wheels on the front. Now this bike here is a user. I rode this quite a bit. That's the reason why I decided to give it the upgrade. It's not on.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. Well, folks, we ran out of paint out of the first can, so we're going to try using some gloss black up here and sand it down after it dries. So basically I'm using the old-fashioned way. Use a nice flat even coat, and it's controllable. Alright, we're going to do the other side, and then when we get done with it, we're going to set it up on edge. As long as you got some spin on it, you can paint. Now because this is regular paint, I'm going to have to sand it in order to get some grit on it in order to paint it yellow. Okay, that's basically how a third way that I paint my rims. Makes it a little bit easier. You don't have to worry about masking off the spokes, because I'm painting all my spokes, but for here, if you just want to do the rim and leave the spokes chrome, basically all you would have to do would be run a piece of blue tape by 3M above the nipple. That's where the spoke connects to the rim and adjusts the wheel. You can put a piece of paper up on top of that and then just spray in the lower part. You don't have to worry about painting the top up here. So until we got one more thing we got to do. We got to just let this thing dry and put some yellow paint on it, like the front, and then we got to work on the spoke, or not the spoke, but the bracket assembly up there on the left side. So we'll catch you in a little bit. Well, folks, and here it is. I've almost got it done. As I stated earlier in the video up there, that I replaced the whole rear, and instead of having a chrome rim, I decided to paint it yellow to match the front. And we added this luggage rack from a Schwinn bike I picked up at Goodwill. And I decided to detail the Schwinn bike afterwards by putting a picnic basket on the back of it. And so I wanted to use this as something different. And of course we added some kind of a down tube fender on the back, because I tried two other fenders up there and I couldn't get them to work through the rear brake U-pad. And I was also too, as you can see, I replaced the strut on the left side like the one that's here. So all I have to do is cut the excess off and this bike will be done. The original bike, the Pipe Trike, I started building back in 2012 and decided to remodel it in 2015 before I had my health issue of my spinal stenosis. Since then I've had back surgery June 18th, and I felt well enough to finish the job. So until next time, this is Michael from Just Like Biking, and wishing you a good week. Bye.